Okay, this is a backflow assembly. This happens to be a fire backflow assembly. We have many different sizes within the district. After the annual testing is done on the backflow assembly, occasionally the packing will start leaking in here at this flange, which is causing this drip and this algae to grow here on the backflow assembly. This is not an emergency. When you are calling in a work order, please specify on the work order that it's leaking from the valve, the packing from the valve. Now the area plumber may be able to help us out, and all they have to do is come out, put a wrench on the packing nut, and try to tighten it. Okay, this packing nut is too tight to tighten any further. So in my professional opinion, I would stop at this point and I would call the contractor to come in, which they will bring in the repair kit packing and the packing gland to replace the packing gland in here. If I try to tighten this any further, I have a possibility of breaking this flange, and I turn a $100 repair into a $500 repair. So at that point I would stop. Make sure you call in a work order to the grounds department irrigation team so we can get out here and get it assessed and get it repaired for you. We demonstrated in the back there what a leaking valve looks like. We have set this backflow up here to show what a true emergency is on certain type of backflows, and they are called RPZs. So this has been set up for demonstration purposes. When you are at the campus and you see water discharging from the backflow like this, okay, this is a true emergency. There's something in the backflow assembly that is malfunctioning. It does not mean that the backflow device is bad. It just means it's doing its job, because once the city or your water purveyor sells us the water, they don't want the water back. So it is this assembly's job to discharge any water if there's something going on within the assembly. Now, it doesn't matter if it's a 2-inch backflow like this, a 3-inch backflow like this, because it still will discharge from the relief, or a big 6, 8, 10-inch like the one in the back. They're designed to discharge. So when this is happening, get a work order to the grounds department and we'll get out there and get it taken care of.